Hi, math heroes! Today we're meeting the number 6. Did you know 6 is just 5's best friend with a little extra? Ready to learn the secret? Let's go!
6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Counting by sixes, let's get wordy. 36, 42, 48, 54, 60.
Want to know 6 times 7? Here's the secret trick. First, do 5 times 7, 35. Then just add 7 more. Want to know 6 times 8? Just start with your 5s. 5 times 8 is 40. Now just add one more 8. 40 plus 8 is 48. 6 is easy. You're doing great. Let's take a look at the whole family of 6 all in one place. 6, 12, 18, all the way to 60. Do you see how they grow? Mix it up! Let's do a speed round of everything we've learned. Okay, math heroes, we've seen the magic. Now let's warm up our brains. Take one last look at those numbers because the Great Cookie Quiz is starting right now. Are you ready? What is... That's right! High five! Let's see what is... Yes! You got it! And what is...
That's it! Math genius! Speed round, go! What is... Yes! Amazing! High five!
What is... That's right! High five! Let's see what is... Yes! You got it! And what is...
That's it! Math genius!
Let's see what is... Yes! You got it! And what is...
That's it! Math genius! Speed round, go! What is... Yes! Amazing! High five! You found the secret of 6. You're a math detective. Keep practicing and I'll see you for the next challenge.